All right, it has been a hot minute since I've shown you guys or taken you through a workout. It is legs, of course. And what you'll learn if you read or download, purchase any of my books or micro reads is how important muscle is for metabolic management, metabolism. No matter what disease you have, muscle's so huge. We're starting off with a little bit of mobility and just warming everything up in this sauna. Since I'm doing legs, I start with my ankles and I just move all the way up the kinetic